Hi everyone, it's Jules from Buttercup Green here. I wanted to share with you a new idea for greetings cards I've come up with. I've always been a bit reluctant to make lots of cards because we don't tend to do much with them once we've been opened. So many of them just get thrown away, and handmade ones can be quite expensive. So I've tinkered around with a few ideas in the past, but this is my favourite at the moment. It's a normal greeting card with a twist. This one is a Valentine's card, but it could be for any occasion really, and indeed I'll be producing some slightly different types very soon. Goes through the post in the normal way, in a standard envelope, no extra postal costs. But if you just untie the ribbon bow like this, once it's opened, it releases this cute handmade keyring or bag charm, which obviously can be kept for years and years, and just a nice little extra gift. This is one of my heart charms for Valentine's obviously, and I stitched it from denim, and the other side is cut from a book page. I think it was in Scotland again by H.V. Morton, and this one has an extract from a poem from the book, and lots of random words and text. Is really interesting. And obviously once the bag charm or keyring is off the card, there's another heart from a book page and a wee message for Valentine's, which was hidden before. So just retie the ribbon into a bow. A little bit better than I've done, like that. And the card is just as pretty to go back on the mantelpiece or shelf or wherever. So that's my new bag charm or keyring cards. I'm just about to list these on my Etsy page for Valentine's, and then I'll be developing the range over the year for different occasions. Or if you'd like anything personalised, just get in touch. Thank you.